Let's talk about the latest Tecno smartphone POVA 6 with dynamic tech design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display, with 6.78 inches Full HD Plus punch-hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels, approximately 85.5% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 396 ppi pixel density, 1300 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 108 megapixel main camera, along with 2 megapixel depth camera. For selfies it has 32 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of iOS 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz. Dual-core Cortex-A76 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Helio G99 Ultimate chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB, 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 8 GB, 12 GB of extended RAM, and 256 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 166.2 by 76.8 by 7.88 mm, and it weighs around 195 grams, and the color options meteorite gray, interstellar blue, comet green colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 70-watt fast charging, 10-watt reverse charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5 headphone jack, with stereo speakers, USB Type-C charging port, infrared remote control, IP53 dust and splash resistant, and with NFC. No pricing details about this phone at this time, and Tecno did not disclose pricing and availability just yet. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Tecno POVA 6 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.